welcome back to another travel vlog, and for today's video, we are taking you to Coron, Palawan. Right when we arrived, we took a 30-minute van ride towards the port where we got transported towards our first accommodation.
We will go to our houseboat, our first accommodation.
Yes.
Hindi ko na kaya lumingon, nakahilo ako. Nakakahilo pala dito.
Morning.
Under the booking of Jenny Vander Castilla pa?
Yes po.
On our way to our first accommodation, we were briefed by a lot of things about Coron Island. We were briefed about how sustainable the houseboats are and how it's been supporting the Tagbanwa tribe.
Pasok.
Hi guys! So we're now here at Pauline Houseboat, which is our first accommodation here in Coron, Palawan. So we're here in Coron. I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi. I'm just gonna give you guys a tour. This is our view. What a lovely view. Wow! Wow! Ito yung ating dining area. Cute. Yan, meron pa tayong day bed. Pwede mag-tan. We have outdoor shower, but we're not allowed to take a bath here kasi pupunta siya sa ocean. Ang galing dito, guys. And then, meron tayong extra area for, I don't know. And this is
For
our...
towels.
Oh, look, my baby! And this is our room. Yan. This is our bed. And look at our view. Okay. So we have electric fan and then may aircon din naman if we want to use it, but we have to pay 2,500 kung gusto niyo maggamitin siya, and that's only for 9 hours. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kainit.
Open
And-
area naman
Yeah,
pati.
and-
Tsaka surrounded by waters
Yes.
naman.
And then, ito, binigay sa amin na cellphone. Char,
Ni Kuya Will.
ito. Cellphone ko ng room kasi dito namin sila kukontakin. And then this is our bathroom.
Minimal.
Very minimalist. Ito, manual. Manual ka magpa-flash and all. Ituturo yan. Uy, huwag mo naman dunitin. Ituturo yan kung paano gamitin pag nagpunta kayo here. So, pasok ka. And
Turo mo na
then-
rin sa kanila.
Huwag na. Para may thrill. And then we have
Shower.
na merong heater. But I don't think I'll use it kasi ang sarap maligo ng malamig.
Mhm.
For me. We'll see. So yeah, we're so
Ayun na yun,
excited.
ayun na yun. Ayun. Yung boat na yun is yun yung nagko-collect ng human waste.
Yeah.
So every morning and afternoon sila
Yeah,
nagko-collect.
kasi sobrang sustainable here. So it's nice. It's very, very nice to support kasi they're also supporting the Tagbanwa tribe, which is yung may-ari ng Coron Island. Right now, we're just gonna settle down and magna-nesting muna kami ni Vander habang nag-wait kami ng lunch. So yeah, see you later! Hi guys, so we're eating. Sorry, we're so hungry. Grabe. Hi guys, we're going for a swim. Kasi gugustuhin mo pang mag, ano eh. I'm scared. This is crazy.
Thanks, Coach Filio.
Oh my god, it's crazy and I'm scared. Can you get the, ano na? Why am I so scared? Let's go there. Crazy. Babe, can you put yourself? This is your application for the face. Hi guys, so we are free diving ng tangahaling tapat. Let's go!
Hi guys, it's day 1 afternoon and nag-sleep lang kami kanina and then we're gonna do some kayak just to discover the Coron Island, and this is my outfit. Yeah. Hi guys, so right now, oh my gosh, ang shallow with so much sea urchins. So scary. So many spiky things. Ayan, dyan. Ayan, so much. Ayun o, mga itim-itim. So guys, we're just, I think this is not it. We're trying to explore the Coron Island. And we're struggling because we don't know where to go. Map. Please do not enter. Alis. Right. Kung saan tayo pupunta? Kaya pa ba? Guys, nakakapagod in fairness. Say hi. Are you tired? We're both tired. But look at the waters. Ganyan talaga siya. The entire kayaking, it's really that clear. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Hi. But we don't know where to go.
Okay.
Hi guys! So,
Hi.
right now we are here at the Twin
Twin
Lagoon.
Lagoon.
This is the second lagoon. Actually, kinayak lang namin siya from Pauline Houseboat. That's one of the perks kasi pwede mo siyang libutin. And yeah, actually, we were trying to find the beach, but it's so difficult.
Naligaw na kami.
So, dito kami nagdala sa maraming tao
Personally, para mas gusto ko to. Pag,
kasi sa LB.
oo, kasi mas
Mas
onti,
malawak.
mas onti yung tao.
Or we haven't been to the place na
Dahil lang din sa season. Kasi
tag-ulan.
August, you can see wala naman ulan. Maliwanag yung
Yeah, the weather is really nice. Knock on wood. Don't wanna jinx it. Actually, gusto ko mag-snorkel doon, but
dala
medyo
naman
may mali
kami.
kasi nagdala kami ng mga things. So, nahirapan kami iwan yung kayak. We're gonna get How? Ikaw lang?
Hindi, ganito lang. I'm sorry.
Go love, I think I'll leave it up to you. Ang saya din sana pagka family. On our way back. I'm so tired. Dito po kami nakatira. Char. Bon apple tea. Pero bagong lupit. Yan po. Hi guys, I really haven't been talking in this vlog. Maybe on the next days, but today is our first day and we're here in Coron. And we just ate merienda. We'll still eat later. Now we're just resting. Sobrang nakakapagod magkayak. Diba?
Ganda.
But it's so
Unti yung tao. Like sa El Nido.
exactly, it's so beautiful talaga. Like, it's crazy. Crazy.
Pero downside lang, walang front beach na hotel.
Yeah, meron, but it's super pricey. Tapos, I heard, based on my research, na madikya. So far dito, naglibot-libot na kami. And pati dun sa likod, meron din. Wala naman, knock on wood. Sabi sa gabi daw lumalabas. But yeah, we'll just rest here because we're so tired. It's so packed, first day. Love the cookie. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you po.
We're here at the floating restaurant of Pauline's Houseboat to eat dinner. Actually, we were supposed to just eat sa aming room. But we said to ourselves, sayang yung moment. And we're only staying here for a night. So susulitin na namin. And I'm honestly so tired. It was such a crazy day kasi as in, sinulit namin yung araw.
Sinagwan ba naman? Ilang isla eh.
Grabe yung pagkayak namin, sobrang layo. This is my date. Dinner. So beautiful. Let's see that there's a lot of fish. Guys, we're going kayak for the second time. Look this, guys. We're here. This is the view. The fish always get a free view. Wait, honey.
Float tayo. Para may
Sige, sige, sige.
pag ganun ka.
Float as in floating lang ha. Huwag ka nang magpupunta kung saan. Okay. Can I just get dragged by you? Can I just get dragged? Hi guys, it's our last day here in the paradise. Not really, we're just gonna switch accommodation. Pero last day na namin here. We're all packed up and ready to go. We're just waiting for the boat to pick us up. Oh my gosh, love, I'm scared. It's too far. Bye. So we're going to our next accommodation. Buti love, madaming paligid na restaurant. And we're staying at Three Tops. Here. Yan yung school. Hi guys, so we just woke up and it's around 2 p.m. Sobrang nakatulog kami. And ngayon, gonna search for a place to eat at Coron Town. Let's go, kita ka. See ya.
Ito?
here's our food for today. We're gonna eat now. We're so hungry. Right?
Ito muna kasi mahali na.
Yeah. Nagmamadali kami. Pero masarap daw dito. Let's go. Oh my God, let's try it. Try it. Pinressure.
Try mo.
Good. Okay. Let's go. We're going back to the hotel. Hi guys. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-chill muna dito kasi sobrang init kanina. And right now, we're gonna explore Coron Town. Very chill lang kami today kasi sobrang nakakapagod the past few days. Although we really enjoyed it. Pero ngayon, pahinga lang. Discover lang. Kasi bukas, we are going to go on a tour. Then after tomorrow, we're heading back home on Sunday. Back to reality. No! Makawaway. Kasi kanina ang init hindi mo siya ma-appreciate. Tapos, isa pang napansin namin dito, guys. Yung mga restaurants dito, mostly hindi air-conditioned. Kaya, ginusto namin umuwi kanina. Kasi nga, ang
Sobrang
init.
init.
Tapos walang may aircon. Yun yung pansin namin. You wanna check?
Kailangan ko kasi bumili ng charger, nasira yung charger.
Yeah.
So, see you.
Oh, we'll see.
Pa dito.
Ha? Hindi, gusto ko doon sa Pedros. Yung dito.
Mamaya na kayo.
Pedros.
Yeah.
What do you like, honey? I'm leaning towards... Ano pong bestseller? So guys,
Pakita
dito kami
natin.
bumili sa Pedros. You wanna try it? Ferrero.
Wrap.
Very Ferrero taste. You wanna bite?
Mamaya na.
So yun, maglilibot lang kami. We're here at a store to buy magnets and other stuff. Ito pala ba, may options na hindi nakadikit ata. Souvenir shop number 2. You can. For your pambahay.
Tiga. Pero masarap.
Hi guys, it's day 3 here in Coron and I'm so sorry I didn't vlog much last night because we just literally slept and rested here at our room. Today is our tour day of Coron Island. So yung in-avail namin is around 2,000 pesos kasi nag-additional kami sa Barracuda Lake. Right now, we're just gonna find a place to eat and go back to the room and then mga 8 to 8:30 yung pick-up time for our tour. So, see ya! Oh, this is my boyfriend. And this is our outfit for the tour.
Very basic.
Basic. I'm wearing all white. Let's go. Hi guys, we are here. Tapat na tapat lang siya ng accommodation namin. So, dito na lang kami kasi baka hindi pa din open yung ibang restaurant. So, dito na lang yung safest. Actually guys, medyo maganda yung hotel namin in terms of being in the middle of Coron Town. Kasi as in, andito yung lahat ng active areas.
Yung busy street.
Busy street talaga, as in. Medyo hindi lang ganun kaganda yung room. I mean, it's just a very, very basic room.
Yung outlet.
Kasi hindi gumagana yung outlet, so hirap na hirap si Vander mag-charge. And may heater naman. We're just gonna wait for our food and then we'll go to our tour. This is our food. Tapa. Update. Very crowded.
Tubig naman yung bab.
Parang shoot siya dun sa crevices.
Our first tour activity was to hike up the Kayangan Lake and also go to the famous photo spot here in Coron. We recommend for you guys to bring your own water jug because it's really tiring.
Tayo ngayon sa queue for pictures sa... Kuya, ano nga ito?
Kayangan Lake.
Sa Kayangan.
This is the Kayangan Lake, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah.
You guys, the water in Coron is honestly immaculate. It's just the most freshest water I've ever swam into. And if you guys didn't know yet, Kayangan Lake is 30% salt water and 70% fresh water, making it the most ideal water to swim into and snorkel into. The perfect free diving water. It's really evident that Coron is a dream to freedivers because of its unique diving experience. Barracuda Lake is also a freshwater lake, by the way, and it's just surprising. Each time you dive into the water, you would feel different temperatures. It's just such an awesome experience.
This is the CYC beach, guys. And we just took a bit of a photo. Hindi naman siya super mind-blowingly maganda. Pero yung sa sea part, maganda naman yung sand. Para lang dito sa beach. So yeah, we'll update you guys again later. Dito sa part na to, maganda naman yung sand. Pero lang dun, sa area dun. I hope you guys can see. Hindi ko kasi kita kasi sobrang liwanag.
Hi guys, we're on our way to our last stop. This is the shipwreck. Pwede siyang free dive. At kung paano niya ako dyan.
I saw a bunch of jellyfish when we were in Coron, especially here because our tour guide was feeding the fishes. But it was just tiny jellyfishes, but honestly it traumatized me a bit. I would panic. But here we just enjoyed free diving at the shipwreck. It was such a fun experience.
Tapos na namin mag-dive. Ewan ko din ito. Pakita lang namin ulit.
I was completely fascinated by the rich marine life of Coron. It was something I've never seen before. The cameras don't even do justice, but this was the perfect way to end the tour.
Yeah. First time ever.
Yeah, we're looking at Coron sunset. And we are currently here at Coral. I'm not sure what it's called, pero ang ganda nung
Coral Garden.
coral sa baba. As in, ang ganda. I like it a lot. You will really see the ecosystem ng mga fishes and all that. But we're gonna go back to the boat. So, bye!
Kasi last na kami.
Yeah!
Oo, wala yung ibang bangkat dito.
Exactly. We're very grateful.
Oo.
Bye! See ya later! Hi guys! We just just got back from our tour and we quickly, not really quickly, basta naligo lang kami and all. Here's my outfit for our last day. I don't know if you guys can see the tan. I feel like I look burnt. We're just gonna have dinner and we're downstairs. See ya! Look so pretty, love. Come look so pretty, love. Yum, yum, yum. Tapos niya, wala tong lasa. Wala na akong energy. Drooling, I'm so hungry. Hi guys! This is our last day here. And we're just buying magnet. Wala akong makeup.
Hey guys, Future Dayan here. I'm so sorry this vlog took a while, but thank you so much for sticking until the end with us. We're so excited to where we'll be heading next, so see you on the next one.
Stay with me.